Accounting. This is our front end. First, I'll give you an overview of SAP Finance, and we'll see what should be made first. I guess the server was idle. We'll have to re-sign in and log in. Let me just pause it for a while. Okay. This is the GL front end. Let's pick up any GL account. This is how we create a GL master data. We have controls to introduce in the GL. We have areas and fields that can actually mold the operations and behavior of a GL account. We will also look into this, and we will also create field status groups. We'll discuss this when we are done. But for that, we need a company code to be made, a GL account, and before GL account, we need a chart of accounts. So let's go back to configuration, SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure. This is the first node. We will define our company. Our company is defined, and that is IAP. IAP is not defined. Entries, IAP group, by IAP 9. AE, language to English, currency. Currency will be GBP. Okay. Save. Now we will save this in a package. IAP 9. It's already made. We'll assign this. Okay. Company code. Edit company code data.
Sir.
Okay, IAP 9. This is our company code that we made. Okay. So we'll make one. We'll copy from this to buy, and this mother company was IAP, but its currency was GBP, and this is company code, which is in Dubai. It will report in AED. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll exit this, and we'll copy. We'll copy the settings, copy organizational object into your company code from company code IAP 9, JAP 9. Let's say your company code is JAP 9. Okay. Do you want to copy the GL account company code data? No. Do you want to copy the assignment to controlling area? Yes, I'll do that. The reference company code has local currency AD. Do you want to allocate different? Yes. That currency will be JPY, Japanese yen. Okay, now it is copying some of the settings of your other company code. Okay. So this will take time in copying. Once it's done, let's close our lecture for today, okay? This will be easier for you.
Okay, sir.
Copy company code IAP 9 to JAP 9. So settings will be copied to this. Copy. Yes. Yes. Just keep pressing enter. Yes. Okay, company code has been copied. Let's stop here.